Hey, I'm Cooper Owens. We've been here in the community now for about 16 years. Been a dentist for a little over 20 years now. So we've recently completed a 3-year-long renovation that's added a handful of rooms. We have, I hope, created quite a nice environment for folks to be here. It gives us some room for, a renovation gives us some room for some newer technology, which has been very helpful in providing the latest and greatest kind of top-notch treatment for our patients. We've added a lot of things in the digital realm, so digital x-rays and digital impressions, 3D x-rays that are really helpful for placing implants. One of the things is we don't have to use as much radiation when we're taking x-rays. We actually get a crisper picture that helps us to see very well what we're needing to see so we can make good diagnosis. Also with the digital impressions, it really cuts back on those goopy old trays that nobody seems to like. A few other things of technology that we've added here recently, some 3D printing that we do here in-house that helps us to place more accurate and more comfortable implants. It helps us to make dentures in a much more quick and timely manner. Another type of technology that we've added is something called PRF or PRP. That's where we take your blood and we do some treatment to it, and it helps you to heal much faster and cuts down on dry sockets and other things that we really don't want. So a couple of things of technology we really look forward to treating you here at Cooper Owens DDS.